Hey, and welcome to LangoBango, a fun way to learn a new language. So my name's Alex, and along with fellow developer Derek, we created the site as an interactive platform for learning new languages using Google's Speech API on the web. And so what I'm going to do is I'll give you a run through generally of what a user can use our website for and sort of the general features. But first I'd like to talk about the design itself. So we built this with mobile first in mind, and if I change this to mobile view here, you can see that the design is in fact responsive. And if I drag this back out to desktop, you can see that the elements adjust to look very user-friendly, even when we're in desktop view or using this on a phone, for example. So let's go back to desktop view. Great. So I want to learn a new language. Well, the first thing I should do is sign up on LangoBango. So let's go here, and let's make a new user account. Okay, so I'll enter that, enter my email, new password, and great, I'm all signed up. So now, once I'm back in the main page, I can log in using that same username that I just made. Great, I'm all logged in. So now I can visit my profile, which has appeared on the menu screen. So you can see my username and also my list of high scores. But you'll notice that I haven't completed any language sets yet. So let's go back to the home page and try and do that. Let's see, today I want to learn French. So let's select French from the language drop-down at the top. Okay, so the site has now changed itself to teach me how to speak French. So what I'm going to do is go through a series of phrases, which it displays here at the bottom. And the first phrase it wants me to say is s'il vous plaît. Well, I know how to say that. And the translation is over here. It means please. So all you have to do is click on the mic to get started. S'il vous plaît. Great. So the speech detection works automatically. You click on the mic, speak, and the speech detection stops once it notices that you finished the phrase. And then what happens next is pretty cool. It types the phrase back out to you on the screen, and then also does the translation next to it, so you know exactly what you said. And you can see I got a score of 100% because I got the phrase exactly right. So let's go on and do a couple more phrases. Bonjour. Je ne comprends pas. Good, I'm getting perfect scores so far. Merci. Okay, so this is something I don't know how to pronounce. Well, another one of the great features of LangoBango is we can help you with that. Simply click on Listen to this phrase.
D'accord.
And the web page will automatically use speech synthesis using Google Translate API to speak that phrase back to you from the computer. So let's try it ourselves. D'accord. As you can see, after hearing it, I knew how to pronounce it, and I got a perfect score on that word. Je ne sais pas. Great. Au revoir. Oh, so you can see I messed up a little on this one. I tried to say au revoir, which is goodbye in French, but I actually came out with allez voir, which translates to visit. And I got a score of 0 because neither word was technically correct. Well, that's okay. Let's move on. Je suis de Canada. Excusez-moi. De rien. Great. So now that I've finished the language pack, the next phrase button turns into a score button. So let's click it. Great, so my final score is 90%, which is correct because I only got one question wrong and the rest I got perfect. So now that I've done this, I can go to my profile page again, and you'll see that for my profile, the language pack French has been added with my highest score of all time. So the neat thing you can do is try and get a high score, and if you don't quite beat it, you can come back, check your scores in your profile, go back to home, try to beat it again. So let's go back, and great. Now that I've learned the language, I can sign out. Awesome. So those are the main features of LangoBango. Again, my name's Alex, and along with Derek, we made this site as a platform for learning new languages interactively using speech detection on the web. Thanks. This is LangoBango, and I hope you liked it.